CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.3 Compare and contrast storage types. NVMe. A non-volatile memory express drive, or NVMe, is a type of solid-state storage designed for high-speed data access using a computer's direct connection to the motherboard. NVMe drives offer several advantages over standard SSDs. Most importantly, they are much faster, especially when reading and writing large amounts of data. This makes them ideal for tasks like gaming, video editing, or any application that demands quick access to files. Because they're solid-state, NVMe drives also operate silently and have no moving parts, just like standard SSDs. One of the most common form factors for NVMe drives is the M.2 interface. This is a small, slim connector built directly into the motherboard, allowing the drive to slide in and lock into place without the need for cables. Because the M.2 form factor connects the drive straight to the motherboard, it saves physical space inside the system and allows for faster communication between the NVMe drive and the rest of the components. That compact design, combined with high-speed performance, makes the M.2 NVMe drive one of the most efficient storage options in modern computing. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.